PayPal Cashback Mastercard Review 2025. If you're looking for a cashback credit card that integrates seamlessly with online payments, the PayPal Cashback Mastercard is one of the top options in 2025. But is it really worth it? Or should you leave it on the table? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about this card, from rewards rates to fees, perks, and potential drawbacks, so you can make an informed decision before applying. Let's start with the basics. The PayPal Cashback Mastercard is issued by Synchrony Bank and designed primarily for people who frequently use PayPal. The card automatically links to your PayPal account, making it easy to earn rewards on purchases, manage statements, and redeem cashback. The most notable feature of this card is its flat rate reward system. You earn 2% cash back on every purchase, with no caps, limits, or category restrictions. That means whether you're buying groceries, electronics, or a flight, every dollar you spend earns the same percentage back. For frequent online shoppers, especially those who use PayPal regularly, this simplicity can be a major advantage. Now, let's dive into how the cashback works. Rewards are deposited directly into your PayPal account. From there, you can transfer the money to your linked bank account, use it for purchases, or even pay down your PayPal balance. This is one of the strongest points of the card: instant access and flexibility. Most traditional cashback cards require you to wait until the end of a statement period or redeem through a portal, but PayPal Cashback Mastercard gives you immediate access to your earnings. That's perfect if you want to offset recent purchases quickly. Next, let's discuss fees and APR. The card has no annual fee, which is a big plus for those comparing cashback cards. Avoiding annual fees while earning a flat 2% is highly competitive. The APR for purchases varies depending on your creditworthiness, but as of 2025, it typically ranges from around 19.49% to 29.49%. This is on the higher side, so carrying a balance month to month can be expensive. The card is best used by people who pay off their balance in full each month. There are also no foreign transaction fees, making this card convenient for online international purchases. Many people wonder how this card compares to other popular cashback cards in the market. Let's put it into perspective. Cards like the CD Double Cash or the Fidelity Rewards Visa also offer 2% cashback, but the PayPal Cashback Mastercard stands out because of the instant cashback delivery to your PayPal account. This is especially useful if you're a freelancer, small business owner, or someone who frequently uses PayPal for transactions, because it streamlines cash flow and gives you spending flexibility without waiting for monthly statements. Another feature worth noting is PayPal's purchase protection. Like most credit cards, the PayPal Cashback Mastercard includes protections for eligible purchases. If your item is lost, damaged, or stolen, you can file a claim through PayPal for coverage. This can be a lifesaver for online shoppers, particularly those who buy electronics, high-value items, or shipped goods. Additionally, since the card integrates with PayPal, it benefits from the security features PayPal is known for, including two-factor authentication and monitoring for suspicious transactions. One of the most common questions is, are there any downsides? The main limitation is that this card does not offer bonus categories or elevated rewards for certain spending areas like groceries, gas, or travel. Cards like the Chase Freedom Flex or Blue Cash Preferred give 3% to 6% in rotating or fixed categories, so if your spending aligns heavily with those areas, you might earn more elsewhere. Additionally, the higher APR means it's not ideal for carrying a balance. While the flat rate simplicity is appealing, it may not be the best card if your strategy is to maximize rewards in specific categories. Let's also talk about the application process and credit requirements. The PayPal Cashback Mastercard generally requires good to excellent credit. While Synchrony Bank doesn't publicly disclose exact credit score requirements, applicants with scores above 700 are most likely to be approved. If you're rebuilding credit or have lower scores, approval may be difficult. The application process is straightforward through PayPal or Synchrony Bank, and your credit decision is typically instant. Another interesting advantage is that the card is compatible with digital wallets. You can add it to Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, which is convenient for in-person purchases and adds a layer of contactless payment security. Although PayPal is primarily an online platform, being able to use this card in physical stores without carrying the plastic card is an added bonus for convenience. Now let's do a real-world example to illustrate its value. Suppose you spend $2,000 per month on various expenses: groceries, online shopping, utilities, and entertainment. With the PayPal Cashback Mastercard's 2% cashback, you would earn $40 per month or $480 annually for a card with no annual fee and instant access to cash back. That's a strong return. If you leverage other cards for bonus categories, you might earn more. But this card excels in simplicity and consistent rewards without tracking spending categories. Some users also value the ability to use PayPal for bill payments and other financial management. Since the card integrates directly with PayPal, you can manage your payments and rewards in one place. This is especially useful for freelancers, small business owners, or anyone who receives payments via PayPal. You can instantly use your cashback earnings to fund purchases, pay bills, or even withdraw to your bank account, creating a smooth cycle of earning and spending. Let's cover some miscellaneous perks. Synchrony Bank offers account management online and via the PayPal app. You can view transactions, monitor rewards, and set up notifications for spending or payment due dates. While there are no travel perks, concierge services, or luxury benefits, the card's value proposition is straightforward: consistent 2% cash back, no annual fee, and fast, flexible rewards. Finally, should you get the PayPal Cashback MasterCard in 2025, it's a solid choice if you want a simple, flat-rate cashback card with no annual fee, especially if you already use PayPal regularly. It's not ideal if you're looking for bonus categories, elevated rewards for specific spending, or travel perks, but for consistent earnings and easy cashback access, it's one of the most straightforward and practical options available. In conclusion, the PayPal Cashback MasterCard offers strong, predictable rewards with instant cashback flexibility, no annual fee, and good purchase protection. It's perfect for online shoppers, PayPal users, and those who prefer simplicity over complexity. While it lacks high reward categories and has a higher APRA, the overall convenience and seamless integration with PayPal make it a compelling option in 2025. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use cashback card, this one deserves serious consideration.